In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to change your Roblox profile picture, so be sure to watch until the very end to prevent any mistakes in the process. Now, this does need to be on your mobile phone, but you're going to begin by clicking on the bottom, your profile picture, and as you can see, you can customize your avatar before you actually change your profile picture, because your profile picture will be what you are wearing. So once you're done that, you can go on to edit profile picture. There's going to be multiple emotes that you can use in your profile picture, and you can use this to actually make it a little bit more fun than the normal one. If I want to use this emote, I'm going to click on next, and there's going to be multiple options to zoom in or zoom out, and also to rotate your avatar in your profile picture. As you can see, I'm going to keep it like this and zoom out just a little bit more and click on next. As you can see, that's what your avatar looks like. You can view it close up or full, and just click save to change your profile picture. That's all there is to it. Be sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.